In this video, we will discuss about the advantages and the disadvantages of Python 3. The first advantage of Python is it is easy to read, learn and write. Python has English-like syntax. This makes it is easier to read and understand the code. Second advantage of Python is it is interpreted language. Python directly executes the code line by line. In case of any error, it stops further execution and reports back the error which has occurred. Third one, improved productivity. Due to simplicity of Python, developer can focus on solving the problem. It takes less time in understanding the syntax or behavior of the programming language. You can write less code and get more things done in compared to other programming language. Fifth advantage is portability. In many languages like C, C++, you need to change your code to run the program on different platforms. But in Python, you don't need to change your code to run on different platforms. Sixth one, extensive support libraries. Python provides large standard libraries that include areas like string operations, internet, web service tools and other tools. Now here are some disadvantages of Python. First one is slow speed. Python is an interpreted language and dynamically typed language. The line by line execution of code often leads to slow execution. And the second disadvantage is weak in mobile computing. Python has made its presence on many desktop and server platforms, but it is tested weak language for mobile computing. Third disadvantage, runtime errors. The language has lot of design limits and needs more testing time. The programmer has the possibility to see bugs only during runtime. Fourth, database access. Python has limitations with database access as compared to popular technology like JDBC and ODBC. The Python database access layer is found to be a bit underdeveloped and primitive. Fifth one, Python is not memory efficient. Python is not a good choice for memory intensive tasks. Due to flexibility of data types, Python memory consumption is also high. After all, Python is a simple, versatile and convenient programming language. It is a good choice for beginner to professionals. There are some disadvantages, but advantages exceeds disadvantages. Even Google has made Python its primary language, so go for it.